Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Start by confirming your Vizio model and software generation. Find the model number on the back label or in settings system information. Check whether your TV uses SmartCast, Via Plus, or an older Vizio OS that lacks app support. Verify your TV is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your phone or laptop. Note your Wi-Fi speed and signal strength to avoid playback issues. If your TV is offline, reboot your router and TV to re-establish a connection. Open SmartCast Home on your Vizio and browse the app gallery for YouTube. If YouTube appears, select Install and follow the on-screen prompts to add the app. When the native app is unavailable, open YouTube on your phone and tap Cast to stream to the TV. Make sure your TV firmware is up to date in settings system to enable the latest apps and casting features. Restart the TV after updates to finalize installations and clear temporary issues. If YouTube fails, restart your TV and router to clear common errors. Check for firmware updates and reinstall the YouTube app when available. Sign out and sign back into your Google account to resolve login problems. For TVs that cannot run YouTube, use a Chromecast, Roku, Fire TV, or an HDMI-connected laptop as alternatives. Consider a factory reset only after backup, because it erases settings and paired devices. If issues persist, contact Vizio support with your model number and a detailed error description.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.